Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. It's said that this is the world of competition. They say if we want to survive, yes, we have to face competition. If we want to get the admission in the best college, we have to face competition. Not only the admission in the best colleges for medical and engineering, there are many competitive exams which we face nowadays. Even the school students, if they want to get admission in the schools like Sainik School, Navodaya School, and many such type of schools, yes, they have to face competition. The list won't end here itself. Even if you want to qualify yourself for the campus interviews conducted in your college, yes, you have to face competition. And some other examples, like if you want to qualify yourself for the exams like Agnivir exam, for army exams, banking exam, then scholarship exams like NMMS, NTSC, some aptitude test, TET, CTET, the list is too big. Yes, we have to face competition in each and every such field. Now, to face competition means what exactly we have to face? We have to face exam. And what exactly we have to study apart from your academics for just exam? So, this video is especially to explain you what exactly you have to study for such exam. The baseline of all these exams is common. The topics of especially the subject like mathematics and logical reasoning are 99% common for all these exams. So in this video, we have made a short list of the topics of mathematics and logical reasoning. I'll be telling you the 20 common topics of maths as well as 20 topics of logical reasoning in this video, and I will also tell you few examples, means what type of questions are asked based on these topics. So we have already made few videos. We have already made videos on few topics, and apart from that, if you want us to make the video on any particular topic, feel free to drop a comment in our comment box. We will definitely make the video on the topic which you request. So here are first the topic of mathematics and logical reasoning. And as I said, after this list, I will also tell you few examples that what type of questions are exactly asked. The 20 topics of mathematics are number system, fractions, means the operations of fractions, addition, subtraction, and so on, decimal, HCF and LCM, unitary method, simplification based on Bodmer's rule, average, percentage, ratio and proportion, partnership, profit and loss, time, speed, distance, work and time, linear equations, simple interest, compound interest, area and perimeter, surface area and volume, squares and square root, cubes and cube roots. These are the topics of mathematics, and now the topics of logical reasoning are numbers or alphabet in series, find out the odd one out, it can be number or alphabet, classification, coding and decoding, blood relations, ranking, sitting arrangement, clock, calendar, direction sense, find the next figure, find the odd figure, find the number of figures included, that is number of triangles and number of squares, cubes, dice, matrix, mirror image, water image, Venn diagram, mathematical operations. So as I said, these are the 20 topics of maths and logical reasoning. 99% of the questions based on mathematics and logical reasoning are based on these 20 topics itself. As I said, we have already made videos on few topics, and the topics on which we have already made videos are calendar, that is how to find the day and the date, find the number of squares, find the number of triangles, then questions based on dice, number in series, find out the odd pair out, classification, and the problems based on equations. So we already have the videos based on this. I'll share the link of this playlist in the description box. Now this is about the topic. We cannot draw the rigid borderline between this topic. Means we cannot say that the question will be strictly based on the ratio and proportion, or the question will be strictly based on average, or the question will be strictly based on age of the people. No. Here the questions are mixed. Means for example, the ratio of the ages of two brothers is so and so. Let's say 3:4. and the ratio after 5 years, it will be so and so. Find their present ages. So now such type of questions are the combination of ratio and proportion and the problems related to age. So as I said, we cannot draw the rigid borderlines between this. So here we have to make yourself perfect in this concept and let the question be the combination of one concept or more than one concept. So you should be in the position to answer any type of question in such competitive exam. And what will give you the best marks? Yes, of course, practice. So as I said, our videos are of course there to help you, guide you in such exams. So again I repeat, please feel free to drop a comment on which subject you want us to make the video. So hope this video, at least this list, will be quite helpful to you. And don't forget to share this helpful list among your friends. And to get the updates of such useful and helpful videos, subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj Classes. So my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.